Panagdait sa tanang kabuhatan. For today's video presentation, I will be discussing the lesson 1 of our topic outline, which is recreation and leisure. Now, let's start by defining what is recreation. Okay, by the way, our discussion for today is just very short since introduction pa man gud ta. So, very short lang ni siya nga video discussion. Okay, recreation, it refers to all those activities that people choose to do to refresh their bodies and minds and make their leisure time more interesting and enjoyable. So, kaning mga recreation or mga recreation activities, it refer to those activities nga makapa-refresh sa body and mind sa usa ka person nga mo engage ana nga activity. And sometimes recreation can also be considered as leisure. Later i-discuss nato na. Okay? Now, what are the examples of recreational activities? First, we have fish or fishing, okay, hiking, camping, and sailing. So, these are some examples of recreational activities. And karon, kaning mga activities, kaning mga recreational activities, very popular kay ni siya karon nga season since after sa lockdown mahilig naman daghan kayo mga resort nga nag-open and ang mga tao pod mahilig na maglaag-laag, and these are the activities nga usually gina-engage sa mga tao karon: hiking, camping. And these are examples of recreational activities. Okay, another examples of recreational activities are the following. Even the simple things that we normally do every day, such as walking, it can be recreational activities. Swimming, okay, meditation, reading, playing games, creating crafts, traveling, singing, and dancing. So, any activities nga makapa-refresh sa imong bodies and mind, okay, depende man na sa usa ka tawo gud, lahi-lahi man taog preference nga mga activities nga makapa-refresh sa atong minds. There are some who are fond of reading para ma-refresh ilahang minds. Playing games or board games, creating crafts. So if you are watching or if you are done watching startup, katong bida dadto mahilig siya og create og craft, wherein mas mas ma-refresh ang iyang mind once mo engage siya ana nga activity. Now, traveling, singing and dancing, the famous kayo ni karon, no? Or popular kayo ni karon nga mga activities. Kung wala na tay buhaton, mukanta lang ta or musayaw ta atbang sa atong cellphone using the TikTok app. So that is an example, or those are examples of recreational activities. Now let's proceed. Okay. Amy Heard and Dennis Anderson, the authors of the Park and Recreation Professional Handbook. So, mga authors ni sila. And according to them, recreation or recreational activities are activities that people engage in during their free time, that people enjoy or that people recognize as having socially redeeming values. So, according to them, ang kanilang recreational activities, these are activities na gina-engage sa tao every time na sila'y free time or wala na sila'y gibuhat. kanang ma-enjoy ang tao nga buhaton na nga activity that can be considered as recreational activities. And most especially, ang gina-pinpoint ani ni Amy Heard and Dennis Anderson is that uh, recreational activities, this can help people to recognize the socially redeeming values. Dapat na ay social values ang kaning mga recreational activities. Di ba, isa sa example ganina is ang traveling. So, sometimes, mo travel mo as a group and that can build or diha makita ang social values. Daghan man mo. But, even if you travel alone, naagihapon na yung social values because throughout the process, even if you travel alone, throughout the process, makamit man ka og lahi-lahi nga mga tao. So still, there is a social values. And as a human being, we need to rely or we rely on communications and socializations to survive. So maunay point ni Amy Heard and Dennis Anderson that recreational activities promotes social values. Next, or I mean, another example there is that kung mag-conduct mo og mga team building activities, pwede man na siya ma-consider as recreational activities as a group. So makabuild na diha og mas makabuild na diha og unity sa isa ka group, and that is a social value. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, we are done with recreation. Now let's proceed to leisure. What is leisure? Leisure refers to the free time that people can spend away from their everyday responsibilities. Example, work and domestic tasks, to rest, relax, and enjoy life. It is during leisure time that people participate in recreation and sporting activities. So kaning recreational activities under na ni siya sa leisure. So ang leisure daw is that to get away from work and domestic tasks. So wala na siya nag-involve og mga trabaho, like for example kung gatrabaho ka tapos nagbakasyon mo, that is an example of leisure time activities. Okay, so kung tambay ka, daghan kay kag leisure time activities. Okay, so let's proceed. Leisure is time to spend for activities not related to work. It is your free time, again. That period when you do not have to perform obligations such as household chores, schoolwork, or office tasks. Leisure time is a human right. It has a vital role in upgrading one's quality of life. Example of leisure time activities. After sa imong trabaho or after sa imong how many hours of work in a day, mo attend ka og concert, mo attend ka og or mulantaw ka og dula or any games, mulantaw ka og games, mo attend ka og event nga dili related sa work, that can be considered as leisure time activities. Okay? Okay, that would be all. Mao lang to ang atuang introduction about what is recreational or what are the terms about recreational activities and leisure time activities, or what are these terms. Now let's proceed to our activity. Now for your activity, kindly list down the 10 leisure time activities and then 10 recreational activities. So i-separate na siya. Gipost na nako ni siya sa Genio. So lantawa lang ang inyong Genio. 10 leisure time activities and 10 recreational activities. And then activity 2, there are two activities. Uh, the activity 2 is that express your own understanding. So na ay statement dito, dili ito siya question. Gi-quote to siya. You just need to express your own understanding, or what can you say about the line that is being said. So, gi-post na ako ni siya sa Genio. And then, deadline ani, so i-extend lang na ako ang deadline ani since we are having a problem in, we have a problem in our power interruption. So, i-extend lang natin yung deadline ani. And mag-announce lang ko sa ito ang group chat. And that would be all. See you next week for another video presentation. So, if you have questions, i-comment lang sa comment section sa YouTube. Kaya i-post man ako ni sa YouTube. And then, you can also DM me. That would be all. Thank you for listening.